Well, here we are in Brazoria, Texas. We were supposed to work at CP Chem. Took a weld test Friday, passed. Traveled down here Sunday, made it. Safety Monday and Tuesday, no problem. We come to do site safety today. Got in there. Our DISA drug test hasn't cleared the system because we didn't know we were supposed to take one for the Gulf Coast of our company. So, couldn't take site safety. Went and took a drug test. Takes 3 to 4 days for it to clear the system. Well, it's Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thursday, it's day 1. Friday, day 2. They don't do safety on Friday. Monday, day 3. Tuesday, day 4. Travis and D-Man are traveling home Wednesday morning. Supposed to be. But since we can't get in the system, can't get in the gate to do an emergency welding job, we're going home tomorrow on Thursday. They ain't done nothing. Made some money. 10 hours a day. Sitting here. Their teeth in their mouth. Wait for the next one. Maybe take a few days off. Enjoy Thanksgiving with the family. Might do a little fishing. Supposed to go to Miami on the 29th. I still don't know if they got all their DNA samples and fingerprints and hair follicles and whatever else they need for that job either. It may be another show like this one. So, yeah. East Tennessee bound. Love it. We'll see you.